Anatomy of Reiki. Hello there. And welcome to Reiki 1 Lesson 7. Reiki goes to the place in the body that is imbalanced and requires healing, and that's one of the reasons why it is so easy to learn and apply. There is no need to study the anatomy of human body or animals to treat a person or animal effectively. You simply place your hands on the body and allow the energy to be drawn in. Reiki will do the rest. It could be helpful to know where the major organs, lymphatic, and endocrine systems are located in the body. This knowledge will help you converse with clients or recipients. The endocrine systems are systems that consists of ductless glands that release hormones. It works together with nervous system and regulates metabolic activities in order to maintain homeostasis. Hormones are released from the endocrine glands, with each secretion causing a different reaction in the body. The lymphatic system is a system of thin vessels that run throughout the body and circulates a fluid called lymph. Lymph is a milky lymph fluid that contains white blood cells called lymphocytes along with proteins and fats. Lymph seeps outside the blood vessels in spaces of body tissues, and it's stored in the lymphatic system to flow back into the bloodstream through the flow in and out of arteries and into the veins and through the lymph nodes. The body is able to eliminate the products of cellular breakdown and bacteria invasion. Lymph plays an important role in the immune system. The lymphatic vessels are present wherever there is blood vessels. There are more than 100 tiny oval structures called lymph nodes. These are mainly in the neck, groin, and armpits, but are scattered all around the lymph vessels. They act as barriers to infection by filtering out and destroying toxins and germs. The largest body of lymph tissues in the human body is in the spleen. You can explore anatomy online and using your local library. The depth of your study is up to you. Remember that Reiki will address the source of the imbalance and not just the symptoms. The link to more resources for this lesson will be added soon. Please check back later, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.